Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone? Today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you ready to experience the most luxurious toilet experience of your life? I'm talking about the TOTO WASHLET C5 electronic bidet toilet seat, a game changer in the world of bidet seats. This powerful and easy to set up seat provides a refreshing clean for everyone, with gentle yet powerful water spray that's adjustable to your liking. You can feel the warmth of the SoftClose heated bidet seat, and the sound of the air deodorizer working its magic to neutralize bathroom odors is almost silent. The cleansing stream has pulsating and oscillating options, creating a truly refreshing clean every time, and the adjustable warm air dryer makes cleanup a breeze. But what really sets the TOTO WASHLET C5 apart is its innovative features, like the PREMIST function that helps prevent waste from sticking to the bowl, and the self-cleaning wand that uses UTR to keep itself clean. With the convenient remote, you can control and set personalized water cleansing settings, giving you luxury and cleanliness at your fingertips. Millions of customers have fallen in love with the TOTO WASHLET, and it's easy to see why it's well-reviewed and trusted by many. Whether you're looking to upgrade your bathroom experience or simply want a more hygienic and comfortable toilet experience, the TOTO WASHLET C5 is the way to go. Imagine being able to customize your toilet experience to your exact preferences, and having the peace of mind that comes with knowing you're getting a superior clean every time. The TOTO WASHLET C5 is a must-have for anyone looking to take their bathroom experience to the next level, and I highly recommend giving it a try. If this helped, link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.